Chelsea fans, hold on tight. The Blues have made a move that could finally end their striker curse. Liam Delap, the highly rated English striker, is now wearing blue. But is he the solution we have all been waiting for? Or just another gamble? Let's break it down. Liam Delap isn't just any young striker. He is the son of Rory Delap, known for those monster throw-ins. But Liam's weapon, his raw power, blistering pace, and killer instinct in front of goal. A product of Manchester City's academy, he has been tearing up youth levels and showed flashes of brilliance at Stoke City and Hull on loan. At just 21, Delap is a proper number 9. Big frame, aggressive pressing, and hunger for goals. The kind Chelsea has missed since the days of Costa and Drogba.
Came to an end, but now a chance for City to open the scoring which they've taken, and it is that man Delap. What a way to announce yourself as a first team footballer.
Clark, and pull back for Delap. And Martinez will be disappointed, but the majority of Portman Road delighted. Hutchinson and Burns arriving to help it, but Delap will go himself. Well, the goals are flowing now for him. Hutchinson ahead of him. He goes for goal. And he scores a goal. Brilliant from Liam Delap. Giant figure of Liam Delap. Delap.
Just with feet to get away from both Kulusevski and Johnson.
Liam Delap against his old team.
Delap battling with Lacroix. He's done brilliantly. Delap takes it on as well.
We'll get to it ahead of Savagny. Does have support from Townsend. Cutting it back for Delap. 2-0. Liam Delap on target again. Scored.
Might this be the night?
And trying to get his head to the ball. They're level. And who else but Liam Delap? So much fizz on the shot.
Wings it in behind Delap. Philogene drops it down. Delap! It's stoppage time again!
Let's be real. Nicholas Jackson has been explosive, but inconsistent. He thrives on pace and chaos, but lacks that finishing edge. Now imagine pairing him with Delap, you suddenly have options. 2 strikers up front, Jackson dragging defenders wide, Delap lurking in the box, or a 4-2-3-1 with Delap leading the line and Jackson playing off him like a second striker or a left inside forward. Tactically, here's what Delap brings. His hold-up play, high pressing, and box presence. Delap may not fix everything, but he could be that missing piece in attack. A young, hungry English striker with something to prove. And with Maresca's trust in youth, he might just explode at Chelsea. So the big question is, will Liam Delap become the next Drogba or another forgotten name in Chelsea's striker saga? Let us know what you think in the comments. Is Delap the real deal or just another hype train? And hey, if you love smart football talk, real analysis and no fluff, then hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. We have got more content coming, from match reviews to transfer breakdowns, and trust me, you don't want to miss it.